Yep, Sorrel is here. Sorrel is here. Look at this bungle. And we have the leaves. And this is all organic. As we said in a previous video on sorrel, the leaves are great and can be eaten. Also, the leaves can be infused and make juice. Did you know? So yes, we are going to be making sorrel drink today to close out the year. Yes, as we always say, sorrel is festive in Jamaica at this time. And so, yes, we have a lot of sorrel, and we do have two methods that are great to get the sorrel drink, and another method to make the sorrel juice. So keep watching. So yes, this is sorrel drink that is actually brewing. So that's the sorrel petals. They're in the pot. And yes, usually so it's infused in hot water. It's infused in the sorrel. It's infused in hot water. And yes, we put some ginger in it. You can grate it or beat it, whichever way you want, but let it boil in the or infused in the hot water. So yeah, my husband is doing this pot. And usually when he does it once like this, let it cool, and then take the petals out. So juice it, get the liquid off from the petals, and or from it, separate them basically, and then you can use the petals again. Infuse it in hot water a second time. And yes, sorrel is a very good and healthy, rich drink or flower plant. Yeah, it's very rich in iron, very rich in a lot of vitamins and minerals. And yes, one of these days we'll do a video specifically on the benefits or uses of sorrel. So yeah, it will continue to brew. We'll cover it up, and yes, live every moment, laugh every day, and love with all your heart. And that's your Monday Meds. And I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Sorrel is packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals, including iron, calcium, phosphorus, and so much more, including vitamin C. Yes, it is very tangy. So here we are doing a second batch of the sorrel to get the most out of it. The second method of getting the sorrel drink is by infusing the leaves. The leaves are very tangy. However, they do not give you as much richness as the petals, but it is great. The next method we'll share is one that I've recently found out: sorrel juice. Yes, you can have sorrel juice, and there is a difference between the drink and the juice. The juice, to get the juice, you can extract it with a juicer, and yes, it is rich as sorrel drink. Enjoy, and definitely use some ginger. To further spice up your sorrel drink or juice, you can add some seeds of pimento or some grains of dried rice. Do enjoy. Be sure to save the seeds for your next planting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.